Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Trussville local and long-distance movers near me. Hiring a reliable and cheap Trussville moving company gives you the right option for your local or long-distance move. 3 Movers offers all the best services for your specific needs. We know how to get you moved fast and efficiently. Our team has moved veterans, homeowners, students, renters, and business owners. No matter what you need to move, we can help. Our company in Trussville offers the following premium moving services. Packing services. Our company provides packing and unpacking services to make sure you get the most convenient move possible. Moving supplies. We use high-quality packing materials that ensure your goods reach their destination in good condition. An on-time move. We show up at the scheduled time to ensure you don't have to worry about delays on moving day. Upfront pricing. Our moving quotes make it simple to get the transparent pricing you need. Licensed and insured. You can trust our movers to make sure all your things are fully protected. Getting to your new location is important. It's a big job to relocate your home or business to a new state or across the country. No matter how far you need to go, we have the right team to make it easier for you. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Trussville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, local moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.